Strong oblique muscles translate to a better body in a number of ways. They support the spinal column, reduce risk of type 2 diabetes, which is commonly linked to excess abdominal fat, and improve performance in physical activities involving quick movements and twisting. Of course, they look great too. The highly sought-after V-shape is often a byproduct of a healthy diet and toned obliques. Say goodbye to standard crunches, and try these fat-burning exercises that target the oblique muscles. Note, suggested weights, reps and sets will vary drastically depending on your strength. Start light and adjust accordingly. Bicycle crunch. Bicycle crunch is good because it engages all your ab muscles. This exercise is excellent for building core strength and toning your thighs. If you want to lose weight, bicycle crunches are perfect because cycling is one of the most effective cardio exercises. Single leg side plank. The single leg side plank is an advanced version of the standard side plank. This exercise improves lower back endurance while targeting the obliques and hip abductors. Rotating side plank. The side plank rotation activates the deep abdominal muscles and helps to tighten and shrink your waistline. This exercise can help you improve balance, boost your endurance and increases core strength. Spiderman Push Up. For those already able to do full push-ups with proper form, the Spiderman push-up variation is a good way to further target your core and obliques while also actively engaging your lower body, particularly your hip flexors and quadriceps, during a traditional chest and triceps-focused movement. Cross-body mountain climber. The cross-body mountain climber is a compound exercise in that it works the calves, quadriceps, glutes, back, chest, triceps, abdominals and shoulders. You will need high levels of core strength to do this exercise the right way for each set. Russian twists. Russian twists strengthen your core, obliques, and spine. It's a total core exercise that also works your balance, builds stability in your spine, and trims your midsection all at once. Dumbbell side crunch. By adding dumbbell side bends to your workout routine, you're targeting the external and internal obliques. Strengthening these muscles can help tighten the entire side ab wall and can also help cinch your waist and create a curvy body. For more, like, share, subscribe.